guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Krishna. Today we're gonna be making chocolate cake. It's actually supposed to be a mug cake, but someone broke my beloved King Robert, so today I'm using a bowl. Okay, so this recipe was taken off of Emma's. It was taken off of Emma's goodies, but her recipe is cocoa powder content, and some things were a little bit too strong for me, so I kind of adulterated it just a little bit. Alright, so here first we're gonna add is sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar to my half a tablespoon of butter. Okay, then we're gonna add our baking powder. It's 1/4 teaspoon baking powder and 3 tablespoons of flour. Both are sifted. Alright, just add them in. And next we're gonna be adding is our cocoa powder, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. As Emma said, you're supposed to bloom the cocoa powder in the hot milk. Yes, I did heat up my milk, so we're just gonna bloom it. Okay. Let's get mixed. Even though she didn't tell me to make it into a liquid, I kind of did because I'm way too excited, so I kind of made it into a liquid. Sorry. But anyways, just gonna add our 3 tablespoons. This is also, by the way, 3 tablespoons of hot milk. Let's add that in there. A little too much. You know what? I'll figure it out later. Okay, and now we're just gonna mix. Mix. By the way, the butter is room temperature, not like frozen cold. So yeah. Okay guys, just for information, I added a small splash of milk off camera because it was too thick. So it's like 3 tablespoons and a small splash of milk. Okay, and just mix it until it's like the look of a cake batter and it's not lumpy. Like Emma said, don't over mix. Okay, and now I'm just gonna clean up the sides and be back in a minute. Alright guys, as you can see, I just cleaned off the edges of the bowl, not too well but not too shabby either. And now we're just gonna set the microwave on 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute, not more. I'm gonna take it. Guys, so while the microwave is baking or cooking our cake, we're gonna make my favorite Nutella topping for it. So yes, I do use milk. Not sponsored. Please sponsor me. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is just gonna add like random amount of Nutella. Bring like, I don't know, a scoop. Oh, there's a little buggy, and I don't like it. Alright, a little bit more. Okay. Alright, change of setup. Just excuse any background noises you hear, but you've added like your 1 scoop and a little bit more than that, or maybe exactly 1 scoop. I would never know. And just add some milk, not sponsored milk. I'm just kidding. Or you just add like a little bit splash of milk. There you go. That's not a splash, but yeah. Spatula really just drop it in. But anyways, I just put in a little bit and just keep mixing that up. put a little bit because there's already sugar in it, so I don't bother doing too much. Especially Nutella being so sweet. It's damn good. Alright, there is the topping. You can make more, you can make less, that's really up to you. Alright, yeah. Alrighty, I just got the cake out and look at that. Beautiful, gorgeous. Triphobia warning, sorry. Okay, now I'm just gonna add this in. You can do one thing is you can add some milk. Yes, this took some resting time also, so it's not as hot as it was when I first decided to remove it. I'm like a dumb bum. But now I can pick it up, even though it's just a little bit hot. So what you can do is you can add in some milk, not that it lacks any moisture, but just for safekeeping, a little bit of milk. A splash. That was a splash. Alright, not everywhere did it go. Not as planned. Never mind. I'll just add in your Nutella. Look how dark and beautiful that is. I am. Alright, just add it in. Add in the beautiful Nutella. Camera woman is gonna be licking this bowl later on because it's Nutella. Probably not with Nutella. What is wrong with you if you don't love it? And just spread it around. Not too much, not too equal to every side. You can add chocolate on top of it. Make it look pretty. Though I'm not for beautification. Maybe I might make it look pretty. You don't know. You don't know me. You don't. Because you don't. I tell you, my family thinks I'm crazy sometimes. Because I'm always talking to a camera. But they don't know I have an audience who watches me. And I hope you guys adore me. Because if you don't, then I'm sad. Anyway, let me just open my fridge and get something. I have some chocolate sprinkles over here. Chocolate mint sprinkles. As you can see, a little bit of sprinkle never harmed anyone. Unless you're just diabetic. That's a different story. And I just add that. Honestly, it's just a little bit. I think some stars would look good. Mini balls, this one, it's over. So here's our chocolate mint. So I'm just gonna add some stars. Stars to make sense, so I can see it first. Maybe not mine. Alright. And we're done. Ta-da! We have cake. 1 minute. Microwave 1 minute microwave cake. Yay. Alright, let's taste it. Because I don't know. Oh, it is soft. It is sorry. It's soft though. Do you see that? It is very soft. But then again, if you like higher cocoa content, then you can add more cocoa powder or less. Up to you. Let's taste it. Oh my god. It's so soft and not overly sweet. It's perfect. I mean, it's sweet, but not overly like too sweet. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Anyways guys, thank you for coming and watching this video in the channel. I hope you do try it and follow me on Insta at Krishna Official. And do comment down in the video what you want to see next. And baboosh!